Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So happy Monday. I hope you're all really well. I am back today to open this, which is my Beyond the Pink Door Sewscription box, the Think Pink Sewscription box. This actually arrived around 8 AM yesterday, but I was up in Newcastle with my Northern Soul Sisters crew, and yeah, it was one of those dilemmas where I wanted to be there with those guys. I wanted to be there with Ruan and Tamlin, but also wanted to come home and open my box as well. And can you believe I actually left this sealed last night because, yeah, I needed to film. But by the time I got home, I was shattered. We had the most amazing weekend. It was brilliant. Did our first live as the Northern Soul Sisters and did some more filming, and I was editing when I got home last night, but I looked really rough and dishevelled and didn't want to appear on screen to you. So I saved this and it's been sat waiting for me all day today while I've been at work. So I'm home from work now. I've been wearing my Marnie today and yeah, got my coffee, which my amazing son has just made me. So I thought I would open it with you. So I'm sure lots of you have already seen unboxings elsewhere, but Beyond the Pink Door do a Think Pink Sewscription box every month. It costs, I think, around €35. I really should know, shouldn't I? I'm totally rubbish, but anyway. And Andrea is so good that she will hold the box for you if you want to order fabrics or haberdashery or whatever, patterns, etc. Yeah, and there's no additional postage, so it's always worthwhile if you want to order any extra bits along with your box doing that. But I was pretty good over Christmas, to be honest. I didn't get swayed by all the sales apart from Fabric Godmother. I did get a few bits from there. And anyway, let's get around to opening the box. So Andrea's boxes come in this amazing leopard print and floral design, and these are designed for you to be able to reuse and store anything you like in your sewing room, which is just amazing. And she always has obviously all the details on the side with a gorgeous little sticker which says "Open me, pretty things await inside." So I'm going to get this open and we'll see what's inside. Now I know Tamlin got her box yesterday as well because she sent us a little note last night saying that it was amazing. And then I know Ruan has already put her unboxing up and I want to watch it, and I can't watch it yet because I haven't opened mine. So yeah. So when you open the box, this is box 11. It comes like this, all sealed in beautiful pink tissue paper. Obviously, I have paid for my box. I always pay for my box, and yeah, I don't get a discount or anything. I just purchase it as you would. And inside, Andrea always puts a little QR code with a link to a vlog that she's prepared where she tells you all about what's in the box this month and ideas for the fabric choice, etc. It says, "Thank you for purchasing one of our Think Pink Sewscription boxes. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of viscose fabric in the main box or 1 meter in the starter box." I did forget to mention she has done a smaller box now, which is slightly cheaper. I will put across the bottom the cost of both boxes just to confirm, because I will need to just go and have a look and make sure I give you the right information. But she's introduced a smaller box now because of the cost of living crisis for people that still want that gorgeous surprise every month but haven't quite got the funds to reach to the full box every month. So she says there are 2 colours available this month. Included are also matching Gutterman thread, a cute notebook, a tin of sewing clips, delicious shortbread cookies. Oh wow, I'm trying to diet as well, that's just no good. Anyway, let's open. Sorry for the rustling. Okay, so we get a little card, little postcard, which has got the 2 pictures on, and this has a cute little message on it, which is obviously hand drawn. It says, "When you start sewing when you're small, you get addicted to sewing when you're big." Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. So that's the postcard. So inside this month we have a little tin. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful little tin with some clips inside. Oh, they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. They're like a sort of muted copper colour. Hopefully you can see those. They are gorgeous. So it says 20 size S in bronze steel wire clips. Just had to get my glasses because I can't read it. It says steel wire clips with a wide range of functions for sewing, other hobbies and household. And they are by Sewply, which says supplies and tools made for sewists. So they're gorgeous. Next up we have a sealed packet that says make today great. I'm assuming these are the shortbread cookies. Oh yes. So inside here are some all butter shortbread chocolate chip cookies. 2. They will go rather nicely with my coffee there. Thank you very much, Andrea. And next up we have another packet which says right here, right now. Which is that gorgeous little notebook. And that's the other side of it. So there you go. Which it is an East of India notebook. That's lovely. Always, always handy having a little notebook to hand. Then the Gutermann thread is in this beautiful sort of steel blue colour, which is a polyester thread. And then the fabric that I have this month is, this is interesting. I have never seen this fabric before. So this is the fabric this month. Now, this, I would say, I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful quality viscose, absolutely beautiful quality. I'm going to be honest, it's probably not something that I would choose myself. If I walked into a shop and saw this, I would probably walk straight by it. However, it is gorgeous quality. And the thing about a subscription box is that you're not going to get something every month that is completely to your taste. And I sometimes think that that's not always a bad thing because, you know, it gives you an opportunity to try fabrics or designs that you wouldn't normally go for and see what you can come up with. So I think I'm going to challenge myself this month actually, and I think I am going to make this up as a bit of a priority this month. I think I'm going to choose a pattern that viscose goes really, really well with and make this up and see what it's like, because yeah, it's got so many gorgeous sort of muted colours in, but it's just not really my sort of thing. But it comes in this colour, and then if you look at the card, there's also a sort of pink colourway. I'm really keen to see what the pink colourway looks like. But this is, it's called Radiance Digital Collection by Penelope. But yeah, I mean, it feels incredibly soft. It is a lovely weight. So it's heavier than a viscose chalet. It's almost like a patchwork design on it. But yeah, I have never seen this anywhere, to be honest. And it's not my normal taste, absolutely, but you know, I'm willing to give it a go and see what I can come up with. So I think that will be really, really interesting to make it a bit of a priority to actually get this pre-washed and sewn up into something this month and see what I can come up with. So thank you for that, Andrea. Another fabulous, fabulous box. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee. Martin is still at work. He's not home yet. He's a late finish tonight. So I'm not sure what we're having for dinner. We did discuss some options earlier. But I want to get another Marnie cut out tonight because I met the lovely Catherine, who is Soverton Bakery here on YouTube. And yeah, I met her yesterday at Sewtoon up in Newcastle. And she's just such a delight. She is so nice. And yeah, it was lovely to spend some time with her yesterday and get to know her a little bit better. But she had a Marnie on, and she had the version with the ruffles over the shoulders. She didn't put the pin tucks in because she made it in a beautiful, beautiful viscose. And I can't believe I didn't even get a picture of her. But anyway, yeah, it was absolutely stunning, this Marnie. And it really made me sort of think, I want to make one almost identical, if I'm honest, but with the ruffles on, but out of viscose, because I wouldn't make it out of a cotton lawn like this. So I think what I'm going to do this evening is I'm going to pick out some viscose out of my stash. Piper's here. And I am going to get a Marnie cut out and make a start on it. So yeah, I think that's going to be my project for this week. So yeah, just a quick one from me today, but I'm hoping to do Friday sews later on this week. You never know, there might be a finished Marnie in that, but we shall see. We'll see how we get on. So enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you again really soon. Take care. Bye.